as we all know, the best things happen after hours. Get ready to kick back and groove because the night is just getting started. Let's take it to after hours.
I ain't into raising boys, send them back to their mothers. But he ain't like none of the others. Tell you about the only one that ever made me stutter. Oh yeah, I think I'm in some trouble. Tired the way I lie. Tatted on his back, a work of art is such a side. Make me wanna spend the night. The way he pushing up is so appealing. Girl, I can't get him off my mind. I swear one look into his eyes just gets me. Try not to love him, I just wanna touch him. Hope I'm not rushing. It's just something that I can't describe. I've never met this type of guy. He turning nothing to something. I think I love him, I just wanna cuff him. Girl, you better get you one of these. Yeah, get you one of these. Wake up in the morning, he got flowers in my feet. Get one of these. Yeah, I don't wanna leave. Dance around him, got me like a puppet. I'ma let him pull the strings. Get you one of these. Count them in to get you what you want, and he gon' give you what you need. Just saying, get you one of these. I'm just saying, get you one of these.
400. Drop it, give me 50, girl. Drop it, give me 50. Used to slide with me cause you be tripping when you miss me. You gon' hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Skip the foreplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apologies when I'm behind. Fucking up the seats of the brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon'